welcome back to our program, and let's start off our real estate buzz with real estate expert Mia McLeod.
This Real Estate Buzz segment is brought to you by McLeod & Associates, a full-service real estate and mortgage firm. It's not about the number of homes we sell, it's about the difference we make in people's lives.
Joining us in our Los Angeles studio, of course, kasama natin si Mia McLeod. Hi, Mia.
Hi, G. Kapatid G. Good to be here, like always.
Thank you very much. Now that we have a new president incoming, a lot of people are saying they're moving out of the country.
Yes. So if you'd like a home evaluation, want to sell your home, we are the people to call. Absolutely.
All right. Well, let's move on because a lot of people are looking to buy homes as well.
Yes.
So let's talk about the loans that are out there for kababayans.
Yes, and again, we've highlighted this on this show, and we get a lot of viewers calling in just really wanting to understand their financing options. So I love when I get an opportunity to get on the show again and really just educate and empower them on what's available. We can start off with the FHA Streamline Refinance. So these are for homeowners already that currently have an FHA loan. What they did here is you could lower your mortgage insurance from 1.35 to 0.85%.
That's significant.
That's, in some cases, it's saving our clients anywhere from $200 to $400 a month. So if you're a viewer out there with an FHA loan and you've had it for some time, I encourage you to call us, and we do free mortgage reviews. At least we can just assess and see if there's any tangible benefit for you to refinance. The great thing with this product too is they're not as strict, so no appraisal is needed, no income docs, and no debt to income ratio requirement.
Okay.
So it's a very flexible loan program.
Okay, and of course for our veterans out there, we have the VA loan.
Yes, one of my favorite loan programs for the folks that have served in the military. One of the first questions we ask is, are you a veteran? A lot of people don't take advantage of their VA loan enough. One of my favorite loans, again, 0% down payment, no mortgage insurance required. They've got low interest rates, no prepayment penalty, can be used more than once. And if you're doing a refinance, you can refinance up to 100% of the value of the property.
Wonderful.
Yes, and just to give you an example, my cousin bought a home for nearly $600,000 in Diamond Bar. He's a VA, and he put 0% down.
Wow.
Yeah, amazing program.
Amazing. What's even more amazing is the next program. I want to talk about that. You know, 0% down payment on a home. It's called the Sapphire Grant, and you don't have to pay it back.
Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm glad you mentioned that. 0% down, maximum. Here's some of the tips there. Maximum loan amount is $417,000, still generous. There is an income limit for this program. You cannot make more than $80,000 if you're buying in LA, Riverside, or San Bernardino County.
Is that combined, or can that be one person?
It can just be one person. So if combined you go over, then we can just exclude the other spouse and just use one.
Right.
If you buy in Orange County, you cannot exceed $98,000.
Got it.
Okay, so if you use, there's two grants here. If you use the 3% grant, the interest rate will be 4%. If you use the 5% grant, the interest rate will be 4.5%. This is a 30-year fixed loan, and as G mentioned, there's no repayment of the grant that's required, unlike some other down payment assistance programs out there. You actually have, there's no silent second attached to title. It's a true grant. And even though it is 0% down, we're seeing that the banks really want to see a little bit of money in savings, maybe $2,000 to $4,000, or if the credit score is really high, then maybe they'll offset that. But if it's a lower credit score, they may want to just see a little bit of savings. No prepayment penalty, not restricted to first-time home buyers, but must be used for primary residence. So you cannot use this program if you're trying to buy an investment home or a second home.
Right.
And FICO score requirement 620. So you don't have to have the best FICO.
So make sure, if you're interested in this program, make sure to call Mia McLeod and Associates. That's their number. They can give you all the information you need. Go see them. just so that you might qualify, and you should take advantage of that.
And even if they're not looking to buy tomorrow in 2 years, we do these consults absolutely
and it
for
takes
free.
time, right?
It's about 45 minutes to an hour, absolutely free, but we really try to understand what your goals are.
Exactly.
We educate you on the process, what's available, and come up with a game plan.
Right. Okay, so there are also additional loan programs out there, which are the FHA Purchase.
Great, very popular with our millennials and first-time home buyers because low down payment, 3.5%, can be gifted and flexible on the debt-to-income ratio, so people get approved for more under the FHA Purchase. HARP is for people that are upside down in equity. This is a refinance program. It expires by the end of this year, so if you're interested in that, give us a call. And then we've got some other specialty type programs. If you're self-employed, there's a special program for you. There's gift of equity for those baby boomers now that are empty nesters and maybe want to sell their home to their child. They can gift part of their equity as the down payment to their kid. Yes, and then we have hard money, which not my favorite loan, but is great if there's an emergency situation.
Wonderful.
Because it's not necessarily a bank, it's in a group of investors and they fund your loan in like 7 days.
Wonderful.
Yes.
And that's why you should call Mia McLeod, because their office knows all about these loans.
Yes.
We want to also say that Mia McLeod does give free consultation for buying and selling, and of course mortgage reviews, right?
Yes.
Just to look over where you could potentially save some money.
Yes, and if there's a healthier loan program out there, a lot of people just don't know where to start, and that's what we're here for.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And of course, you can get a free online home evaluation. Just make sure you go to their website, which is www.mcleod.smarthomeprice.com.
Yes.
All right. Maraming salamat, Mia, for being here once again.
Thanks, Kapatid G. Always a treat.
All right. Siguraduhin niyo po na tumawag sa Mia McLeod ngayon din kung meron kayong balak na bumili ng bahay o ibenta ang bahay ninyo. Maraming salamat po sa pagnood ninyo ng Kababayan Today. Salamat.